name is Ngọc and welcome back everyone. Come and join with us in the jigsaw Zumba with Sanay and Larissa, please.
For our first Zumba move, we're going to be doing row the boat, which is when you just pull your arms out and backwards and forwards like so. For our second move, we'll be doing a crisscross, and this goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. For our third move, we'll be doing the cha-cha, but rolling our hands like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now for our fourth Zumba move, we'll be doing a squat and lift, which goes like this, and you want to flex your muscles when you do so. I don't know who tried to do this. Oh, Troy.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's row our boats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Get ready for crisscross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get ready for cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get ready for squats. 5, 6, back to rowing the boat. 2, 3, 4,
Good job,
5,
keep going.
6, get ready for crisscross again, and 1, 2, 3, 4,
Good job,
5,
guys.
6, get ready for the cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Well done, guys.
7, and 8.
Well done. Woo. Well done, guys. Good job for the workout. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to check out Shanae and Nox's awesome yoga videos.
Thanks for having us, Sar.
Don't forget to
Thank you so much, Sar, for having us for your Zumba session. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.